Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to enable quick access in Windows 10 and adjust its settings so File Explorer works exactly the way you want. Step 1. Open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard, as this is where quick access settings are managed. File Explorer helps you browse files, folders, and drives easily on your PC. Step 2. Click the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the File Explorer window, which opens additional options and settings. This menu gives you access to advanced controls for File Explorer behavior. Step 3. Click Options from the drop-down menu to open the Folder Options window. This section allows you to customize how files and folders are displayed and handled. Step 4. Click the General tab in the Folder Options window, as this tab contains the quick access and browsing settings. It is important because most File Explorer preferences are controlled here. Step 5. Under the Privacy section, uncheck Show Recently Used Files to stop Windows from displaying recently opened files in quick access. This helps keep your file history private and clutter-free. Step 6. Uncheck Show Frequently Used Folders so quick access does not automatically display folders you open often. This is useful if you prefer a cleaner or more manual folder view. Step 7. Uncheck Show Files from Office.com to prevent online Office files from appearing in quick access. This is helpful if you mainly work with local files on your computer. Step 8. Click Clear to remove any existing quick access history stored on your system. This instantly resets previously shown files and folders. Step 9. Click Apply to save all the changes you have made so far. This ensures your new quick access settings take effect immediately. Step 10. Click OK to close the Folder Options window and finish the process. Your quick access settings in Windows 11 are now updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.